Hello, everybody. Today, I would like you to read the question, start the video, give it a go, and then I will show you the answers and how to get to the answers. So the answers are these ones. How do we get to them? Well, W has a line of symmetry in the molecule. And that means that when you have carbons on either side of the line of symmetry, they are going to be equivalent. For example, this carbon here and this one here are equivalent, and therefore they only give you one peak. The same thing happens with this carbon and this one, and the same with this carbon and this one. Okay. In X, we also have a line of symmetry, which is there. So this carbon is equivalent to this one, so that's peak 1 and peak 1. This carbon is equivalent to this one. If the line of symmetry goes through a carbon, for example this one, that will give you another peak, so that would be peak 3. And this one would be peak 4. If you have any questions and you want to put them in the comments, please do. And then why is trickier? You have a line of symmetry here, and therefore, let's say this is peak 1. So then this one would also be peak 1. If this is peak 2, this is also peak 2. And if this is peak 3, that's peak 3. But then you also have another line of symmetry, which is that one. And this line of symmetry makes 2 and 3 be the same. So that's not 3, that's 2, and that's 2. Hence, 2 peaks. Perfect. So I hope it makes sense and you find it helpful. I'm going to leave you a quote that I think is a nice one. And that's all for me. Bye-bye.